Karbi Anglong News Channel along Berta Than Ponche Bang Nilimen Sami Merchidin Hansepi Tangte Pini Aberta Angton Ben Archuponikta
Karbi Anglong Akhi Koila Sangti Harlong Thengpi Kiverde Jepan Der Dilo Karbi Anglong District Arlo Lapuan Organization ke ong kunatsi kedam laplo Mate Karbi Anglong Arlo Organization avidet luma non apor Karbi Anglong Akhiadat Kiverde Ji ang angalang si dolo Koila Sangti Harlong Thengpi Mo Aphi Akai Phan Matha Thedet Luma Lang Ikta Lapen Lakha Ikta Lapen Arju Iksinang Ilitum Karbi Anglong Arlo Koan Organization Ong Luma KSA Ropli UKSA KSYC KFA SYJ KYDO YAAC AISA RYA AJYCP HPYA AASU 24 Plus Organization JACAS CRA KNCA AAWJF HPCF Karbi Anglong Kedo Aradapan Arnam Kopilo Kipipe Kedo Lang Thengpi Harlong Lapen Sangti Koila Lapen Anparta Keongdung Natural Resources District Arlodo Bonta Bangso Natural Resources Karbi Anglong Arlupen Kiverde Chepan Apor Nang Uilo Lasi Kedoan Organization Chelang Petra Ning Isipetpen Koila Sangti Harlong Thengpi La Kedoan Kivervede Chiapan Adimaklong Humridam Igra Khamke Dunte Pusi Rong Aradadun Chithanpo La Sonsi Kedamtang Penang An Aningkan Pen Karbi Anglong Arlo Kedo Political Party ASDC CPIML AGP APHLC Lapen Ruling Party BGP Kedoan Political Party Atum Theklok Seta Theklong Le Chikrong Detsi Sangti Kipur Koila Kipur Thengpi Kejor Adu Pejang Phung An Pin Seta Chechak Phongsi Langdun Phongpen Lapen Kaprek Alongri Longpat Along An Kethondam Erajok Non Abangke Methanga Hemalong Amat Kachiberti Asangti Harlong Koila Kedoan Setame Sining Lekai Anador Kesopensi Chinam Nang Koklo La Sontotsi Koila Kipur Setame Aning Kanwang Ning Kreng Barla Apora Hutame Kipur Kangton Wang Vedada Jok Non Kiverde Ji Dok Ansi Nang Do Bomlo Koila Kipur Laki Ilong Petpen Le Kipur Chot Lapukali Koila Jan Dilai Flurdang Disama Disobay Langmili Nambor Pendang Lok Ahawar Maloma Bangki Joparni Jopedap Koila Kipur Si Hangjo Hanghai An Pinlo Langdamlo Pulote Disobay Ahawar Along Koila Kipur Adin Pen Langmili Forest Bit Asai Hemabangki Adim Along Kapile Jepan Minute Cap Bakta Nang Nilo Bonta Bit Office Along Kido Forest Asai Kiatuma Banki Kethek Dun Longle Lapen Kachini Ni Ason Jekrong Det Lason Thak Thaksi Koila Jana Long Sitame Kipur Adimle Inglong Ahawar Pusitame Koila Kangton Adima Banki Tuwar Pi Arai Radet Theklong Prong Adimalong Si Ington Ponlo Bangso Atawar Pensi Forest Asai Kiatum An Sitame Cheleng Bomlo Bonta Koila Kipur Atumaphan Thangnat Get Abang Forest Asai Kiatum Amata Kachirabun Doma Pusi Mathapon Nini Antuni Lang Ikha Bangso Weshwell Koila Kipur Ajok Anglong Kiparupe Non Kibang Chilang Arni Owi Kimiahu Karbi Anglong Aradapan Kopilo Kimanpo Nonamat Karbi Anglong Aradatum Sitami State Hang Bomlo Non Kedobom Natural Resources Jongsi Vir Eto Pulutante State Long Therapy Kopilo Kechupo Non Anglong Kaparu Ponsi Koila Kipur Joparni Jopedap Hangjo Hanghai An Pinlo Jongsi Koila Igdetlo Pulutante Kopilo Kechupo Karbi Anglong Arlo Kedo PCCF DFO Ranger Beat Officer Pendanglok Forest Asai Ketum Kopia Potsi Ketheglong Le Chekrong Deadlock Lasi Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Kachari Pon CEM Dr. Tuliram Rong Hangpen Non Kivangji A Owe Phan Matha Par Sik Pondra Koila Pendanglok Ason Natural Resources Kedoan Kerai Komjia Phan Saideng Pondra Koila Kipur Khangdun Asonte Misenji News Report Karbi Anglong News Channel Kiruni Computer Education Center Atumpen World Computer Day Observe Dun Nijang Karbi Anglong ke parlo lakha troxy Kopili constituency arlo Khiruni Computer Education Center atumpen World Computer Day observed. Mati jonga chiklo ni phai hini ninkan suri hini ra inkora ke thong ani Khiruni Computer Center atumpen Khiruni Police Station pen Khiruni Higher Secondary School along Computer Education Center along Kacharli dun teacher student atumpen really kedampon Lapen no computer no future pu athipi en ponsi akeng pen kedam ahut flag ot pon kraisi hang tarampo non apor peer thelong digital akai hut computer ket hekenang sot Lasi oso maratuma phan Kacharli ahin ason do opu angbong pusitami computer ta isi Kacharli amolo pusi rada phan than pachinipo peer thenon apor globalization akai mate digital akai pinaksi computer education Kacharli kenang sot pusi pini arni World Computer Day observed dun Khiruni pen Kamsing Dera report Karbi Anglong News Channel.
Today on 2nd December we are observing, myself and my students from Third Eye Computer Center, today observing World Computer Literacy Day. As we all know that today is World Computer Literacy Day. Through this really we are trying to deliver a message to our society that computer literacy is how much important in our life and we should learn computer. These days without computer it's like that we can't do anything. Nowadays society is depend on computer education. As we said that computer education is a right and so is computer education. No computer, no future. So that is why we are doing this rally, and I think so this is the first time in our place we are conducting this kind of rally on the occasion of World Computer Literacy Day, and I hope that students, adults, those who are studying in schools and colleges, they will also observe this World Computer Literacy Day. They will understand what is computer and they should understand the literacy of computer education, and these days digital education is also very important in our life. We should gather the knowledge of computer education these days is very important. And what is computer literacy? Computer is like that turning on and off. We have to learn the programs in the computer, like with the use of computer we can learn the internet also. Through the internet is called a world wide web. Internet is called a network of networks. Through the internet we can connect with the world, and observing this day we would like to deliver this message to the society, to the students, to the adults, to learn the computer as much as possible. And these days technology has become so fast that we can do anything from our mobile also, but still there are some kind of people is like that. They still don't know what is computer, what is the education of computer. For them we are also deliver this message. We would like to deliver this message that learn the computer, try to learn the computer as much as possible, and try to educate our society, especially the adults, those who are using the mobile but only for the games and only for the videos and all. For them I would like to deliver the message that use the computer to make your futures, and use the communication to build your future. And this much only we would like to deliver the message from our rally, and I hope that our rally will be successful, and thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Dogmoka Higher Secondary Pathu Aklamalong, Ru Samson Singh Inti Memorial Inter LP School Football Championship Kapathu Angdung Kiti. Claim Somara Tumpulote Lokacharle Ahin Chot Kalisi Kapathu Ahina Natame Chihung Nangji. Lalote Emina E or Epranapanta Misenji, Lapen Akiraptame Tepi Kangjang. Mati jonga chiklo ni phai hini ningkan suri hini ra inkora ketom asengkan grassroots football promotion program along organized spon Sport Development and Management Society SDMS pensi Klim Somar football kapathu angdung kitipon Lapu Rising Sun English School pensi pathu ponlo La Solong Sport Development and Management Society SDMS atim atum pensi football kapathu cheposi Sport Development and Management Society atum pensi angdung kiti chepahai ponlo Ru Samson Singh Ingti Memorial Inter LP School Football Championship Kapa 2.0 Championship Trophy Aparman Dogmoka Auto Rickshaw Association Pensi Championship Trophy Pidunlo. Lapen Logistic Partner Dogmoka Truck Driver Association Lapen Dikrut Sarpo Dhaba Atumsi Chirap Chitodunlo. Laso Klim Somar Kapa 2 Grassroots Football Promotion Program Organized Kachepahem Pupon Dorsing Teron STMS Alang Lihin Pensi Claim Damponlo. Labangso Klim Somar Football Championship Kapa 2 Aluhi Kachetongdun Monindra Narzari ex AFA referee Rajan Basumatari AFA referee assessor Bidorbe Social Activities Rotin Rongpi Rising Sun Principal Mongol Singh Ingling Principal Dua Gohai LP School Robinson Crow JEPWD Dogmoka Division Lapen Philip Rongpar DAA President Lapen Kapre ke Thekiding Atumta Chetongdunsi Klim Somar Atumapha Ning Pirungdun Pensi Mesen Pen Football Kapatu Angdung Kiti Pejutpon Hawar ke Hatpen Ren Singkiling Report Karbi Anglong News Channel. Karbi Anglong Digital News Forum Asai Hemalong RTI activist Mahajon Kropen Phirangke Mai Kangni Niphai Hini Mati Jonga Chiklo Ningkan Suri Hinira Inkora Ketom Karbi Anglong Digital News Forum Asai Hemalong RTI activist Mahajon Kropen Phirangke Mai ke Phapon Alam Theke Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council along ke Ongdung Kuti Atangka Contractor ke Longdun Atum Akamasai Patang Pamimi Pen Kuti Atangka Vidro Lapusi RTI Klembang Phu Mahajon Kropen Jongpo Lapen ke Ongdung Kuti Akam Amokha ke Arleng ke Thea Somar Kalite Adon Arapatuma Phansi Contractor Longdun Chot Lapen Voreng Avar Saita Longdun Chot Puta Jongpon RTI activist Mahajon Kropen Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council CEM Dr. Tuliram Ronghang Aphanta Kachuning Ripon Alam Theta Do Je Lapuson Contract Akam Kelong Atumta Kam Claim Klepin Pen Lapen Akam Claim Klesita Akam Tangte Pin Pen Tangka Withdraw Lapulote Kelang Kitar Libdu Nangji Akenang Sotputa Jongpon Lapen Mahajon Kropen Phirangke Athengno Clardak Pen ke Thanpon Lahelo Lapuson Akam ke Claim Kle Asayamo Tangte Pin Pen Tangka Withdraw Lap Akopinangchi Pulote Nili Paklang Athek Puta Thanpon Lasi Lapuson Karbi Anglong Development Asai Kewan An Kam Claima Documents do Anta Dopet Lapen Adim Aklongta Paklang Thek Lasi Lapuson Kuti Atangka Kapanahok He Dechia Phansi Tuning Ripon Pedo Tangte ang tonalam Phirangke Athengno Kopisi ke Thanpon ma Lale Arjuponik Senang News Report Karbi Anglong News Channel
Kam ke claim Ladak kam ke claim bom daso atendar kamari hut je sangpiti mumpia bang je kam ke claim tang ku gachi klang dun ajhak aludo ladak ajhak aluge lahalo je constructing of training center kam inspection banglo agriculture department at Tarabasa Karbi Anglong lake pedelo 1 crore 16 lakhs 9,906 lo tangka bangke la bangke sangpiti mumpisi ke long lo lake work performance in the past aprang ke claim tang alang lo la pen nili gachinia teng lo tang de Mongol Singh Timung agriculture EM do waya lo lahake la pen ako number 2 do tulak construction of training center cum inspection banglo agriculture department at Kheruni Karbi Anglong la bangta 1 crore 10 lakhs 77,434 lake lata lalo lapen ako ke thom do tulak executive agriculture office along pen ke order construction of border bricks boundary wall at LSMF Kheruni 100 under RKVY schemes Taswa tangka bangke 5 crores tu lake Mongol Singh Timung asu PC ke long lu lapen labang so hut ke Mongol Singh Timung EM agriculture do wall si taswa kam bangke ke long ke pilo asu mata nasi lada ka bang li puji ke la phelo je ile tum kape hai dum na tum bang jo ka bang phu phaloi kape hai dum de pen alang litum contractor kapachim manji phandong litum ratum election kape hai dum ma lata dili rara phansi pensi kachini gal tu lo lapen alang litum da la susi ki mangma je ni nang hai lo plutan te ni ke contractors ti plan pu pusi la son si alang litum da ki mangma la puson lo plutan te ili tumalong kaching thur pa amining alam thebang konna thulo ke dampo kaching thur pa bang ki chok lim konna si ke dampo lata nili jining tulo lasi Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council kachari pon CM akai tuluram lohang tame lahai pot ing chap pon dangji lapen isi klar dak nili ke thani la phela jen nili ki puji amining lap so bang kali CM EM adon narap asuma tumke contract claim longli pule nili pudami kali alang itu dah contract tak claim nang po cu claim nang po lapen alang itu sakurita kurial tak claim belo jata belo setame la bang so mong Karbi Anglong arat tu ban kiduk ke lang atum banta lang ponta ke claim tek sakuri claim banta lang ponta contract ke claim tek atum banta ing thul ponta lasi la puson lo plotang te ile tu kaching thul bangke kadok kawe ta kaching thul du repo pusi nili ning yeng tu lasi lata pekla dang lo lasi Siranjit Agarwal dili allo bang konane cibi khol dak lasi alang li pendang ando kam ke lom Siranjit Agarwal pendang ando alang li lasi ladak marwari tinta pendang ada kam nang long dum lasi alang tum long le pu bangke ili tum han nang than bulo lasi adha ke nili long lo Siranjit Agarwal lake work completion statement lo Siranjit Agarwal lake 1,32,95,000 la bangke pede la bangke wo phong taru puling rijan tu Dimapur Durga Mandir tu phase 2 la so long si lake 1,32,95,000 seta la an sose la da kapik la ke la an lo ako isia towa dolang alang li PWD road division difu andar 24,51,000 lake completed pulo ako do thulang alang li PWD road division difu 2,35,02,227 la completed pulo lapen ako Karbi Anglong irrigation division log alang li claim do thulang da kapik lang 4,44,029 or 4,44,29,100 completed lo akam la ke poktan la po irrigation scheme head work si alang li claim pusi la da kapak lang lo lasi la hello la ako do thulang lang chiting irrigation scheme along 54,54,537 lapen ako Karbi Anglong irrigation division along thak dolang dake Intigao irrigation scheme construction of left bank guide ban 31,47,840 lapen ako do thulang Rongmandu irrigation schemes labang do thulang ako 24,17,100 completed lapen ako do thulang Tisogao irrigation scheme construction of approach road 18,83,232 rupees completed seta isi hamu nilidak ta claim tu bo apor ko chethan thunan Karbi Anglong irrigation scheme ke 99.99% ke approach road pen lapen ladak guide bans ke kamisi ke ong lage nili ke challenge lake avisi ke ong lage saladak temen pipe klang lo asi ko along ke claim lake lang namote la bang chini ko setame uthot repeat lo 99.99% ke lage approach road pen guide bans ke avi lage sub payment already met kadung eta asi lalo la song molang eta dulo lapen ako Nogaujan Bukazan division irrigation scheme Suryojan 67,30,705 lapen ako Bokoram TIS construction labangta 37,87,000 rupees 31 lapen ako Bukazan irrigation division along 47,244 lapen ako Bukazan division dolar 1,21,22,857 lapen ako Bukazan division irrigation long dolar 50,57,617 lake kadu eta irrigation scheme lo la tako duslang Bukazan irrigation scheme ki jutsi 1,27,21,800 rupees lasi dagli pudai make kodasi li tumalong tangka ke dola isi limited ajak amuni tumhasi kam jamta pichot lapen payment ta pichot a contractor ke do utah sitame ladak ke on dua contractor bhange payment ta pipe lasi alang tum limited selected phansi pichot lasi nilithi hek ban ki puji ban ka pachini ka tum bang lahelo JP India press meet bangke la 99 crores one time special assistant la daga bangke tender a process si ke chok chelu pusi nili jong cheming tu lo athe bahini vet adim long di nang tak lain lo
tangte bini aberta ke lapo ansi kang ton pon iglo do mi thak me kurwang thu